Have you ever looked at these and thought about,
Bye, have a great time.
well, don't worry, I'm here to help. But before anything else, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel, please do. It helps me a lot and okay, so para mas gumanda yung result ng scenes nyo, kailangan alam nyo kung paano gamitin ang color image, roughness, displacement, normal, and ambient occlusion. Don't worry, huwag kayo matakot. Mukha lang yung madami pero yes, madami talaga yan. But as always, dun ka muna sa basic understanding ng paggamit nito. Ang mga color images ay basically raw images of textures. Ibig sabihin, picture siya ng texture without the shadows and other properties like roughness and the likes. This is pretty much self-explanatory. Ginagamit to para masabi natin sa Blender kung gaano ka-rough ang isang texture. So kung magaspang ang isang object, dapat hindi masyado shiny. Tapos kung makinis naman, syempre makintab. Pero ang pinagkaiba nito sa roughness value ay hindi nito ina-apply yung roughness value sa buong texture. Okay? Kung titingin kayo sa roughness image, may area na darker kesa sa ibang area. Hindi lang plain image. Ito yung ginagamit ng Blender para malaman which part ng texture yung rough at kung aling part yung mas rough at aling part pa yung pinaka-rough. Ngayon, paano yun? Ginagamit ng Blender ang black and white values para makapag-apply kung gaano ka-strong niya i-apply yung isang bagay. Ina-apply niya na mas maigas sa white areas and textures at habang padark ng padark, pababa ng pababa yung application niya. This is a tad bit tricky one to explain but here it goes. Ang purpose ng ambient occlusion ay mas ma-improve yung lighting sa texture. In real life, ang mga textures ay may mga bumps and crevices na nagkakaroon ng effect sa pagtama ng lighting. For example, sa wood planks, yung gaps in between planks are darker. Dapat hindi masyadong tinatamaan ng ilaw yon kasi the space is too narrow. Dito papasok ang ambient occlusion. Pag nilagyan natin ng ambient occlusion yung object, yung mga dark areas ay mas may emphasize na dark sila kasi physically light shouldn't affect them too much, if that makes sense to you guys. Itong dalawang to ay basically the same thing. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila, mas bago na ang normal map kesa sa bump maps. Pero parehas lang sila na pinagagamitan, which is to add bumps on your textures, and that's it. Ang displacement maps naman ay ginagamit para ma-deform yung mesh natin. Pag ginagamit ito, aangat yung mga dapat nakaangat at hindi, creating better results sa mesh. Pero hindi to ginagamit right off the bat. Kailangan mo mag-subdivide and tweak some values para ma-achieve yung gusto mong result. But we're not going to talk about that in this video. But there is an easy way of using displacement maps. Ginagamit rin to to create fake bumps, which is maganda kung sa malayo titignan kasi gumagawa ng illusion na there's a lot of things going on sa geometry, pero kung titignan na maigi, it's still a flat object. Hence the term fake bump. Marami pang ibang textures na ginagamit sa Blender, but these are the common images na ginagamit for starters. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use these things in Blender, so stay tuned. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nakatulong at nagustuhan nyo tong video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and share this to everyone you think might need it. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace!